Hi Kelly. We talked about us sending you over a test sheet to flush your printer colours. This is the test sheet here. It's a PDF. If you load it up, just click on it, open it up, and it will open up your PDF reader. So the reason this one's important is you've got 4 squares with the actual colours, cyan, magenta, yellow and black, exactly the same size, so they're printing out the same amount of ink, and what it will do is flush your colours through. I would print it 5 times. You may get away with it with 2 or 3 times, but just to be certain, print it 5 times and you're good to go. So we talked about settings. Now I'm going to use a different printer to yourself just to show for this demonstration. So you've got 2 ways of doing this. You can hit your print button, or you can go into the menu and go into print. Now I'm assuming that you've downloaded the drivers. If you haven't downloaded the drivers, Epson drivers, this is what you're going to get. If we just go into the Epson 1800 series, forget that it's different to yours. You're selecting your WF2110W. Properties, if you get this screen, you haven't effectively got all the drivers on your computer, and you need to go back up to Epson and download the drivers for your particular printer. So let's come out of that and show you what should happen. If I just go into one where I know I've got the drivers, there we go. Properties. And this is exactly what you should get. This is your front screen. Now, if we're sublimation printing, what we want is to change our paper to Epson matte, and we want the quality to change to high. Now, for the printing out this sheet, that's all you need to do. Click OK and print, and away you go. But you know, whilst I'm doing this, I might just as well show you what else to set. If you're printing for sublimation, you're going to need this fella here clicking, mirror image. Now, if you've not mirrored the image in your software, and I never do, I always mirror it on the print. You would mirror it as I've shown you on this print here. If you've done it in the software, you've no need to mirror the image on the print. So that really is that. I stress again, if you haven't got any of these dialog boxes up, you need to download the drivers from Epson, or else you're not going to get the full effects of the printer. Hopefully that helps. So again, just to reiterate, print this sheet out 5 times and you're good to go. Thanks.